Here's a 2019 Audi A8 L. It can handle any situation with ease, from first impressions to split-second reactions. This is function in flawless form. And for 2019, everything from the engine to the safety systems have been redesigned or updated from the 2018 version. It comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, multi-zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, hands-free liftgate, automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, Bluetooth streaming audio, front heated leather bucket seats, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, auto dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo V6 engine. Edmunds.com reports this full-size luxury sedan features an impeccably finished cabin, refined acceleration, and polished road manners. It's designed for those who prefer their art on four wheels. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.